Hey guys, Electron Man. Well, I got a different one today. I've got a Maytag dryer. I got to do a little work on it. Quit working it. Not drying anymore. And the dog's barking. Go figure. We got us a dryer we got to work on today. It is still got hot, but it won't dry the clothes. And I got to look in it. It looks like the drum's not spinning. So I'm going to show you how to get in there and check it out and probably replace the belt. So anyway, here's the Maytag dryer. And it's just old. I think they're, I don't know the model number. I could put it down there, but they're all pretty generic anyway. But it's had some stuff set on top of it for a while. But anyway, it won't dry now. So first thing you want to do, see if I can set this right here, is you want to get this lid popped. And you just should be able to get it. If you have to, you might have to get a screwdriver, but I should be able to. There we go. You want to scoot it up from the wall a little bit too, so that the back of it doesn't scrape up against it, which I'd already done. And we're inside of it now. Get some light going here. And there's your dryer belt, which is still there, but well, that might be the problem. Yeah, that won't work. Okay, so we know we got a bad dryer belt, which they do that. They do go bad once in a while. Looks like it isn't just frayed out and separated. Okay, well, I already got a belt. I'll give you a link to where you can pick those up. But to go ahead and do is there's two screws. Let me see if I can get some light in here. There's two screws. There's one screw there and one screw there. I'm going to need to pull those two screws, and I might have to unplug the switch as well, which at this point I'm going to need to unplug the dryer too. Always make sure and unplug the dryer. Don't want to be shocking yourself here, since I'm going to have to obviously mess with the wires a little bit. So let me get these two screws taken out, and then I'll show you. We'll move forward. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but I'll get the other side out here too. These are just 1/4 inch too, by the way. Just using the nut driver to get it. Because we don't want to drop these, you're going to need them to put it back together. Okay, there we go. There's a screw there. Now the front should go ahead and slide out here, and as I suspected, we're going to have to at least drop these wires some. Yeah, we're going to have to unplug them, which just, and inside, make sure you mark where your switch plugs in. Just get that set to the side. And now then, as you see, the door just leans back. I should be able to just lift it out of there. And now we have the front of the dryer off. That easy. So now we're down in here. So now I'll get my new belt, and we'll get down here on the floor and see about putting it back on. Actually, here's my new belt, which we'll just get it out of the package. One-handed, it's kind of hard to do. And actually, I think what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put it around the top of it. Obviously, the groove's going to go to the inside, so we'll just go ahead. We don't want any twist in it. Make sure it's not twisted. Just work it around. Okay, got no twist in there now. No twist. Then I'm just going to take it, lay it over the barrel here. Kind of somewhat position it where it was before. And now we'll get down on the floor. Guys, now I kind of lifted up the barrel. Basically, all I need to do is make sure I don't have any twist in it again. And it's going to go underneath that. It's going to go on that pulley there. Down there. Loops around, comes back around. Okay guys, hopefully I can get a view for you here. This is really awkward to try to get a picture of it, but hopefully you can see from there how it works. And I got that belt around that pulley. And as you can see, I turn it just to make sure that it's not binding or anything. Make sure it doesn't have any folds. You just need to lift that pulley up and loop that belt around like I've got it. I don't know, I'm trying to get you a camera view of it. It's awkward. I have to lift the drum to get the belt in there, and then there's just not really where to put the camera. Anyway, hopefully you get some kind of view out of that. But there it is. It's not really a hard job. It's just kind of awkward, and it's not a really good thing to photograph. It's really back there in the back, and you kind of have to lift this barrel up on this side to get your arm around this corner here. I just went through here and reached around that way. As you can see, I can get my hand to it easy enough. It's just, you can't really film it. But anyway, hopefully this helps you guys. Okay guys, off camera I went in and kind of dusted everything off too. It's a good opportunity to get any lint and stuff out of there. Now what we want to just do is see those two little metal things down there. We just want to position them on. Get them hooked on there. Again, I need 2 hands. I just got those hooked back down there on the bottom there. Then you just lift her in and slide her in, put 2 screws in, and I'll show you running here in a second. Okay, all I need to do now is just finish tightening these guys up. This side here. Got my wires hooked back up. Go ahead and plug it back in. And let's see what she does. I think I can go ahead and start it with the door, with the lid open. Be careful with this, but just for you guys. Let's see. Voila. Yeah, that'll do the trick. She's back to spinning now, right guys? Yes, sirree. I think we got a job done here. Quiet, not seeing any issues. I would say we're good to go. All done. Back to work now. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Kind of short, simple one of how to replace a belt on a dryer. Yeehaw, a lot of fun. Anyway, guys, have a great day. This is Electron Man. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and hit the bell for the next great video I have.